guys, it's liyahjanell. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. In this video I'm showing you the process that it took me to get this hair color, so if you want to see, keep watching. So these are some of the products that I used for this process. I got most of the stuff from Sally's. The only thing I did not get from Sally's was the aluminum foil. So I used 6 scoops of the lightener and then I mixed it with a developer, and the only reason I used so much is because I wanted to complete the entire wig without having to stop and try to make some more, so the processing time wouldn't be too far off. So I ended up adding some conditioner because I didn't know for sure if this lightening process was going to work how I needed it to work, so I really didn't want to damage the hair. So now I'm adding about 20 to 25 drops of color corrector on each side just to make sure that the hair doesn't come out brassy. So now I'm going to divide the hair into sections to make this process a whole lot easier, and I'm going to start adding the bleach based on how light and dark I want certain parts. So that being said, I'm going to start in the front because I want the front to be a little bit lighter than the rest. So as you guys can see, the hair is definitely starting to lighten, but there is red permanent dye underneath this black permanent dye, and if you guys know anything about getting red dye out, it's not the easiest process in the world. That being said, the hair didn't come out how I wanted it to. It was like a reddish blonde color, which is not the look I was going for. So if you guys want to see how I corrected this small simple mistake, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell next to it so that you get an update when I upload part 2. So I'm going to insert a picture of how the hair turned out this time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in part 2.
I'm in district in the chain.